You are scrolling through your phone late at night and a flashy advertisement catches your eye with a terrifying question about whether something is living inside your gut. It is a classic hook that stops you in your tracks. Suddenly, you are looking at the Vello parasite cleanse and wondering if this is the secret reason you have been feeling so tired and sluggish lately. The marketing is incredibly slick and high energy. They promise to fix your digestion and clear your brain fog while boosting your immune system. It sounds like a total health overhaul in a single bottle. They even throw in a massive discount to make it feel like an absolute bargain you cannot afford to miss. But we need to take a deep breath and look at what is actually happening behind the scenes. The ingredient list features some heavy hitters like black walnut hulls and wormwood. People have used these herbs for centuries in traditional wellness practices. They also include pumpkin seeds and garlic and oregano. On paper, it looks like a powerhouse of natural defense. However, the supplement industry is often like the Wild West. You have to ask yourself if these ingredients are actually pure. You have to wonder if the dosage is high enough to be effective, or maybe even too high for your specific body. Without clear third-party lab testing, it is hard to know what you are really putting into your system. You are basically taking their word for it. That is a huge risk to take with your internal organs. The website uses high-pressure tactics like showing you a percentage of stock that is supposedly already sold out. This is a psychological trick. It is designed to make you stop reflecting and start buying immediately. It plays on our fear of missing out and our deep desire for a fast solution to complex health problems. True health is rarely found in a bottle that is 70% off for a limited time only. Think about the claims for a moment. They say it improves your sleep and your focus while also giving you a surge of energy. That is a lot of heavy lifting for a simple herbal blend. If a product sounds like a magic wand, it usually is not. You have to be your own detective in this space. Do not just trust the glowing reviews on the official page. Those are almost always cherry-picked to show you the best possible results. You need to hunt for independent voices and real experiences. Look for the people who did not get paid to talk about it. Your gut is a delicate and complex ecosystem. You cannot just go in there with a metaphorical blowtorch and expect everything to be perfect. Wormwood is particularly potent. It can actually be quite harsh on your system if it is misused or taken in the wrong amounts. Before you click that checkout button, you should really call a professional. Ask a doctor if a cleanse is actually necessary for your specific situation. Most of the time, our bodies are already incredibly good at detoxing. That is exactly what your liver and your kidneys are designed to do every single day. This trend of parasite cleansing has taken the internet by storm, but much of it is based on fear rather than biology. We see influencers talking about feeling lighter and more focused, but that could just be a placebo effect. Don't let a clever marketing team scare you into thinking your body is infested. You deserve more than high-pressure sales pitches and vague promises. Take the time to look for transparency and real data. If a company does not show you exactly where their herbs come from or how they are tested, then you should probably walk away. Your health is far more valuable than a discounted supplement. Stay curious and stay skeptical because your own critical thinking is the best tool you have for your wellness.